Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Shami Eats and Treats. Click on that subscribe button and get ready because today we'll be making Pignolis. This is an Italian style cookie based with almonds. Here we have 16 ounces of almond paste, not marzipan, they are different. Now we're adding 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Here we're adding a half a teaspoon of sea salt. Now let's add 2 large egg whites. Once it's all combined and done, we want to put it in a bowl, cover it with some plastic wrap, and leave it in the refrigerator either overnight until it thickens up. Now that we can work with this dough, we're going to put it in a cookie scoop, make a nice shape, and then place it in a bowl of pine nuts. The oven to be at 350. We'll be baking these for 12 to 15 minutes.